You can use Magic School to enhance your lesson or bring a variety of activities into your classroom to incorporate AI. But specifically looking at this example lesson plan for science, it's a lesson plan about designing sustainable cities for ninth grade. It's very well laid out. There are standards, objectives, the materials are listed. There's a couple lesson activities, a quick starter, which is a video, a researching phase, the city design challenge for students, and then a presentation for students as well as an assessment that's listed there. So, one of the things that I first thought of is although there is a starter, a video here, Magic School has a great lesson hook that you can use. And the lesson hook, you could either search it or if you've favorited it before, the lesson hook is going to help give suggestions for a hook that really engages students in your lesson based on the topic of your lesson or a standard. So you'd want to set your grade level and then give a little details as to what you're teaching, for example, the topic, objectives, standard, or just any text in general. So based on that example science lesson, I just took bits from the lesson and I wrote something out and just pasted it in here. So I asked it to create a lesson hook for designing sustainable cities, and then I gave some information based on the lesson plan that I've already come up with. And then I'm going to go ahead and click generate. Once I click generate, you're going to see that Magic School is going to give you a few different options. It's typically 3 for the lesson hook. So read through them. Some of them might be a little bit longer than others, but something like this, maybe the mystery box challenge. So to set up, you're going to prepare a mystery box filled with various materials, and they give you those materials. Activity asks students to work in pairs to draw one item from the box and discuss how it can contribute to a sustainable city. So different ideas here. And the great thing with Magic School is you can either copy directly from what's there, edit anything, or export it directly to a Google Doc or a Microsoft Word or even printing. And then maybe if you're not happy with something, you can continue to work on the output. So if I wanted to use the mystery box challenge, I could say something like, take the mystery box challenge and develop more instructions to help differentiate the activity. Then you could see it's going to elaborate based on what you've asked it to do, going with that mystery box challenge. So this one really elaborated. So you might not want something as in depth, but you could see that you can build upon your output. Another great Magic School tool you could use for this lesson is the rubric generator. So if I head back over to Magic School, I could search for rubric and I'm going to get my rubric generator tool. And then you just want to customize the rubric generator. So changing the grade level, the point scale based on how you'd like to grade the project. And then you're going to input the standard objective and the assignment description. So I have created something based on the lesson, asking Magic School to come up with that students will be able to create a city design challenge and present their findings. And then I took things from my lesson already with the project and the presentation, asking Magic School to create the rubric. I've also inputted the standards that go along with my lesson, and you do have the option to add in any additional customization if you would like. I'm going to click generate. And Magic School is going to come up with a rubric based on my input. And similar to the lesson hook tool, once Magic School is done generating a response for you, you could either copy directly, edit anything within the output, or you could export directly to a Google Doc or a Microsoft Word. And just like the last time, if you wanted to ask for an additional criteria or something like that, you can prompt Magic School to do so on the bottom.